Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So what is the state condition of air in the atmosphere? What is the type of transformation that air experiences as it transitions from a cool morning to a warm afternoon? Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got air in the atmosphere. We've got morning and then afternoon. It's cool in the morning and it's warm in the afternoon. So we have to assume a lot of things. And we'll go to the summary first. We assume there is constant air composition. So it doesn't change. We assume there's no velocity. And we assume the pressure is constant. So that means the state is isobaric. So let us dive a little bit deeper. The state of air is essential. Consider all the properties. So weather forecast mentions pressure, temperature, water content, humidity, dew point. Other factors like wind speed, chemical composition, pollen, smog levels. These can be all significant. Okay. If we assume the composition and velocity remains unchanged and there's no pressure during the day, the warming process occurs under constant pressure, so this is known as isobaric. Okay, so that's how we got to that conclusion. So before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video on your PC, just in case this video or the channel gets in trouble. However, I am following all the copyright guidelines. So use your snipping tool. If you're not familiar, you can follow the steps. If you're on Mac, use your Mac equivalent. So you can find it in your taskbar, or you can use the search window or this window search and find it there. Next, click on the video icon or video option, click on new. Left click drag your rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, replay the video, let the video finish. And then hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. So like and subscribe if you want to support me. Become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.